Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while that I have seen you, so I'm so excited. Anyway, let's start. At first, let me introduce you to the colors that I'm using today. So let's see the colors that I have. This one is, of course, my all-time favorite, the ganache. Next one is Persephone and Groovy mixed together. It's kind of like both of them are pigments and both it's kind of custom mix. This one is our all-time favorite, Nickel Lazo Gold. I still do have some stash. This one is Parakeet TLP and Golden's Green Gold mixed together. Okay, so this one is Billabong. I also like this color a lot. And this one is the star of our show. This is Benevolence new release. This is actually a limited time release, and every jar they sell, TLP will donate $5 to the relief fund. The last color is a custom color mix between the Golden's Permanent Violet Dark and TLP's Pigment Constellation. So this is my color palette. As you can see, it's kind of gives the vibe of rainbow. I thought if the vibrant color will help everyone lift up their spirit. So let me remove all my paints from my workstation or workspace, and then we'll start. I'm using PPG Multi Pro eggshell for my base. I'm starting with purple, and I will put ganache right next to each other. So the idea is I am going to put two different colors right next to each other, and I will put my cell activator in the middle of the two different colors, and I will blow either side, and I should get something very vibrant and colorful. Let's see how it works out. Now I'm going to layer my cell activator. As you can see, I'm putting them in the middle of the two colors. I know that the other two colors in the bottom got kind of mixed up, and that's the idea. It doesn't matter, but I am just putting the cell activator in the middle of the other two colors. And as you can see that I always struggle with how much cell activator should I add. What would be the right amount to make sure that I have enough to make cells, but I don't have too much that I will get a black glob in the middle of my bloom. So you'll see on this one I will end up with some. I see that all the colors have blown beautifully, but they are not blending with each other, so I'm just trying to tweak the paint a little bit so they are a little bit blended. Turning the other side. Some of you might have noticed that I was gone for a while. Well, actually, I took a 4 or 5 months break because I needed this break for myself anyway. So, when I learned that this amazing group of artists have joined together for a good cause, I could not resist but like coming back. So, here I am. I'm so happy that I could contribute in some way. So, as you can see, I love this part when you blow your blooms. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful and so satisfying. So here it is after blowing, and I am enjoying the folded like feathery look and the mixture of the colors, and also at the same time the difference of different colors. Again, as you can see that I have these black spots where I have some concentrated cell activators. I am just blowing them to get rid of them as much as I can, so I'm using my mouth for that. Now I'm going to do a little bit of modification before I stretch. On this piece, I'm not going to spin. What I'm doing is I'm tilting and stretching one corner at a time. Just finished one corner and I'm going to do the other three. I'm going to speed up this part of the video, otherwise the video is going to be very long. Guys, do you like it? I'm loving this part. I don't know why. Okay, probably I have not painted for a long time, so whatever I'm doing, I'm loving it. Maybe, or it's really pretty. You have to tell me. I want your honest opinion. You have to tell me what you think. Now I get to cover the last corner, but I'm worried that I don't want to lose the purple. That is actually really pretty on that side. I think I have saved some of the purple. Now let me tilt some more to find the right composition. Okay, so I am done with tilting and I'm kind of loving the composition. Now what I'm going to do is I will take my toothpick and or kebab skewer, and I'm going to do some modifications, and you'll see how pretty it turns into. My philosophy behind the modification is if I don't like certain areas of my pore, I go there and I use my kebab skewer to modify that area to my liking. It gives me some personal ownership of the painting rather than completely depending on the pore. So here's the dried result, and it's still curing. Look at the little details in the center with my modification, especially here. It gives such a unique look to the piece, which is I'm really happy about how it turned out. Now I'm going to put a coat of resin or varnish depending on the person who buys this piece. Once I put the top coat on, it would be even more prettier. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.